Hello, here is how I make packets for my students. Step 1. Spend time creating lesson plans. Step 2. Get books and sheets ready for copying. Step 3. Go to your husband's office in the afternoon after his co-workers have left. Step 4. Clear the conference table and get paper, clips, or staples and the copy machine ready. Step 5. Insert book or papers into copy machine and make copies. Step 6. Make several stacks of copies and put them in the right pile. Step 7. Eat some snacks and then keep copying. Step 8. Ask your husband politely to help you staple and organize all those papers. Step 9. Label bags and put the packets inside. And step 10. Try not to cry when you look at the clock to see how many hours have gone by. That's how you make packets for students.